Should I bring her down? Should I talk out loud, let it all out? I never thought it'd come to this. What's it all about? Yet, if she said she loved me, I've been down. Oh, in this past few days, in many other